Cuckoo birds. She wants you to take the stuff out of the bag for her. Can you dump the bag? Oh, what are you doing, cuckoo birds? Give it to Dylan. Whoa! Whoa! Charlie. What? What's going on? Are you sleepy? She can't stand, Dylan. Bye-bye, Charlie.